To use a secure folder on a Samsung A07, open the settings for the first and now scroll down until you find security and privacy settings. And then when you go below, you can find more security settings and you have to select secure folder. Now we have to scroll all the way down and click continue. Now we have to grant all of those permissions into the secure folder, and now we have to wait for the creation process. Now we have to select a log type for our secure folder. So in my case, I want to use pattern, the same actually that I'm using for my screen lock because nobody actually knows this. So input your password twice, click OK, and now we are also able to reset this secure folder with a Samsung account. But in my case, it's not necessary, so I'm gonna select don't do that. And additionally, you can use the fingerprint to unlock your secure folder. Now we have to click next in the bottom corner. And now here we can find default applications available in the secure folder. When you click here and go for the settings, you can actually customize this secure folder. So first of all, if you are using pattern, like in my case, you can make it visible or invisible when you're unlocking. And there's an important thing about auto lock secure folder. So I can highly recommend you to pick this one each time you leave application. And additionally, you can add the secure folder up to this screen, to the application screen. So it will be visible somewhere here between all of those apps. This is actually how it looks, so we can quickly open the secure folder. Now, as you can see, to open it, we have to input our password. So if I want to add additional apps into the secure folder, I have to click on the plus, and now I can select any application that I want, and I have to click add button. It's visible over here. You can also customize a secure folder by clicking on this button. So first of all, you can change a color of the secure folder. You can also change its name if you want. And additionally, you can even change its icon. It's at the bottom over here. So we can, for example, get this paint and click apply. Now, as you can see, when you go here and take a look how it looks, a little bit different.